The more they want you to fail, the more you will rise in power. Whoever this individual is, could be more than one person, they view you as very magical. Reason being is, every time they feel as if they have worked you out or sabotaged you in some way, you have a way whereby you overcome any adversaries that you've been through or any blockages that they have tried to put in your way. And for some of you, these blockages could stem from them trying to undermine you, steer you off your path, talk you out of an opportunity, stagnate you in some way. And they cannot believe that you have the ability to alchemize whatever hurdles they have placed upon you or any other person has placed upon you. You radiate so much peace, love, and they are shocked because they want you to fail. They don't want you to go towards love. They don't want you to have any self-love. They are fearful of you gaining love because they know you are of love and they know that you deserve the best in regards to romantic relationships. And it's a constant competition with this individual. And it's being played out. You know, your spirit guides are getting fed up. You're probably getting fed up. I'm getting fed up for you. Because the more they try to project onto you, to stagnate you, to slow you down, the more you rise. Which makes them feel dejected. And the reason why they're operating in this energy is because they feel a lack of love in their life. And they see you as someone that can have it all. And you simply can have it all. And they are jealous of your light. They are jealous of your creativity, of your happiness. You see, the thing is with this individual, they are not happy. They chase people and things, whereas you chase happiness and peace. And you spread love and you spread happiness onto others. This person wants to stomp down others. They have this energy of, I've got to get mine. And I don't care who I sabotage on the way. It's a very unsure person. They lack direction. And you have a very focused mindset. You know where you want to go. You have goals. You have plans. You execute your plans. You're confident. You're courageous. You're everything that this person feels like they're not. And this person, for some of you, they want to hold you back. They may come in like they love you. They may come in like they're caring, like they want the best for you. But it's all designed to sabotage you. They are beyond fixated and obsessed with you. For some of you, this person could have romantic feelings for you. For others of you, this is someone that is rivaling you. They think that they're secretly rivaling you, but you have sensed their behavior, you have felt their energy, and you may have experienced their sabotage, unfortunately. For some of you, it could be a boss who is very fearful of your intelligence. They feel like they are in a higher position than you. Why do you know more than them? You have triggered their insecurities of inadequacy without even realizing it. Without even meaning to. And it's a them issue. Because you know more things than this boss does. You could literally do this person's job with your eyes closed. And instead of this boss or whoever this person in a leadership position is, instead of them asking you for help, no, they'll try and sabotage you and get you pushed out of a company just so that they can be seen as the go-to person. When in actual fact, they're getting all their information off you and recycling it and acting as if it was their own intelligence that got the work done. They hate when you get praised. They can't stand it. For some of you, this could be someone that is in a line of work like yourself, and their ideas and goals are not taking off, and they are trying to compete with you because they feel like you're doing well and you're going to make a certain amount of money. And they are fixated on your financial abundance, and they want to align with you to stop you from expanding financially. This person is quite mean-spirited because they actually want you to be struggling. They want you to be destitute. For some of you, this could be a boss that actually wants to snatch your job away from you because you show them up without realizing, and it's not your fault. You're great, but you're humble with it. And this person is not even on your level intellectually, and they are so boastful. And there's a reason why you have your skills and talents and they don't. This person could also be jealous of your intelligence, of your beauty, of your likability within the workplace for some of you, for others of you, in regards to the romantic suitors that you attract. This person's definitely jealous of your beauty. You know, they feel like you can have anyone that you wanted to date. And some of you are oblivious to this, and that's what they think. They think you're oblivious to how beautiful you are. They think that you downplay your beauty. If they had your looks, if they had your body type, or whatever the case is, your skill set, your creativity, your way of being, then they would actually, they wouldn't even respect it. So this person's trying to rival you for your beauty, your charm, your looks, your creativity. Some of you are very creative. Some of you are very striking, not just in looks, but in energy. And this person has been trying to manipulate you, been trying to do the most to steer you off your path. For some of you, they've been trying to find out about your destiny, your future. And they could be doing this by maybe asking, maybe a reader for some of you, but I feel more so maybe trying to ask people that know of you about what you're getting up to. They study your social media. They want to know your next move so that they can compete with you some more. But you may not post a lot, so they're at a loss there. They're very fixated on how much money you're making. They're pocket watching you. They may try and come around you so that you let slip what's going on in your life. This is a hidden enemy. This person could also be in your family. They could be a sibling. This person feels mentally trapped and stuck. They are in spiritual jail at the moment. Their fear has now become a reality because you have broken free from their mental entrapment that they could have had you in the past. You're too intelligent. You're 10 steps ahead. They have been outsmarted by you, and this is what they are angry about, upset about, because they don't know your next move. They are fearful that you're going to step into your power. They are fearful that you're going to step into your victory, your blessings. They thought that they had outsmarted you in regards to making you believe that you weren't intelligent, you weren't skillful, you weren't beautiful, you weren't creative. They try to downplay your gifts. They try to downplay your intelligence, your looks, your work ethic, your ideas, to turn your projects into profit. They try to downplay it. But secretly they were behind the scenes trying to compete with you. And now they're realizing that you're unstoppable. And the more they try to slow you down, just gives you more fuel. Seeing you being victorious is destroying this person. Maybe in the past they have been able to slow people down, to be a dream snatcher in other people's life, to be a third party in other people's relationship, to destroy people's confidence, but not with you. They may have slowed you down in the past, but every time they try and make you fall, you rise and you rise again. And this person is fearful of what you're going to do next, but more fearful of knowing when you're going to do whatever this thing is next, because they can't keep abreast of you. Your next move, what you're going to do with your talents, who you're dating, who you're going to date. They can't figure you out. But one thing is for sure, Spirit will give them a front row seat of your success and victory, to make it be known to them that despite their attempts to slow you down, you will never stop winning.